buah. Hari ini aku mau pergi Kebun Denassa. Ikuti terus kegiatan aku ya. Let's go. Sikigot.
Oke. OTW ke Kebun Denassa.
Guys, aku sudah sampai Bogor dan teman-teman aku di Kebun Denassa.
Halo Firza, sampai di mana Miki ini? Kebun?
I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns.
Ikuti seruan aku ya. Let's go.
I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring. Yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart? Are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs. Are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns. Perhatian, kalau ada yang jangan ada yang bergerak.
Terus ada apa lagi? Kelapa parut. Oke, siapa yang menang? Seperti itu tekniknya, disiram air, kemudian dia akan membentuk seperti ini.
Bulat-bulatkan, iya. Nenek, ambil gula, ambil. Ya, gulan Mi. Belum.
Malu kalau disentuh, dia menutup diri. Jawabannya untuk menghindari pemangsanya. Apa yang mangsa putri malu? Yang bunyinya begini.
Pohon apa ini, Cak?
Pohon minyak.
Siapa yang diri pakai bedak? Ini rumputnya namanya ciperus rotundus. Punya umbi. Umbinya ini yang dibikin bedak supaya perempuan glowing. Pakai ini daun, rumput. Pakai rumput sebenarnya itu bikin glow merah-merahan, ya. Apa namanya rumput? Rumput belu. Lima. Kasih 5.
Tidak ada nada dapat. Happy birthday to you.
Jangan lupa follow YouTube Andi Birsa. Mantap.
Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems.